Hello class. Tonight I want to talk about our paper that is something that is required for this class. So before I get started, I'd like to show you a link to additional resources, which is here at the very top of your class. And the additional resources, you will find an APA template, and you will find an outline sample and papers and other written assignments there. So please download those if you have not already. Those are very good information. So let's start with project step 1, which most of you have done. If you have not done, please go in and do that. Project step 1 is your topic selection. Please go through and read through each of these topics 1 through 6, and whichever topic you choose to write about is what you will send me in the Add Submission tab. Project step 2 talks about a thesis statement, and this actually gives you direction here in an APA format. Please be sure that you are doing some research on your thesis statement, making sure it's what you want to write, things like that. I will be sending out some information in regards to a thesis statement, so hopefully that'll be helpful to you. And it'll also show some resources for you as well. Project step 3 is going to be an outline and resources. At the beginning of this video, I did show you a resources tab at the very beginning of the class. It's at the top. That is actually downloaded there, so you can download it so that you can follow that outline and resources. Now that I suggest you use when you're creating this, and then you would just add submission here, and that would be the 3rd step for you. Project step 4 is a rough draft for your paper. Now this you will be sending in to me after you have compiled information as far as your topic goes, your thesis statement, and your outline. Then you would put together your rough draft, which is project step 4. This rough draft will be sent to me, and please send this to me in an ample amount of time. We do have the dates of October 9th through the 15th, so if you could please get that to me between those days, that would be fabulous, so that I can go in and send you some suggestions and feedback. The last and final step, I'm sorry, not the last. The project step 5 is the references. Now, these all should be in APA format. I will be sending out some resources for this as well, but please compile your references and then add submissions, send those to me. Once you've done step 5, you are going to be going to project step 6, which is your final paper. Your final paper will be your rough draft along with your references. And so the rough draft is actually now going to be all set up with your changes, and grammatical punctuation, things like that will be all fixed up. So now you've got your final paper and your references. Then you would add to submission and send that to me. That would be the last thing you'll do for this project. Please reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns regarding this project, but I wanted to do a quick video to kind of go over the different projects, so the different steps. So you've got project step 1 here, and then you've got project step 2, project step 3, project step 4, project step 5, and your final project step 6. Again, please reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. And with this new Moodle, you actually just go to the very top and you hit Mail, Email Instructor, and it will go right to your Office 365. And then you would just log in there and send me an email with any questions that you may have, and I will be happy to respond to you at my earliest convenience. Thank you very much. Good luck.